Let's look at future predictions. For predictions, you have a choice of will or going to. And the good news is, sometimes both are correct for the same situation. With grammar for predictions, when you use will, this means my knowledge or expertise tells me that this is a future action or situation. If you use going to, this tells the listener that your eyes tell you that this is a future action or situation. Sometimes, as you will see, both are possible in some situations. Let's start with going to for predictions. Look at the picture. What do you predict? He's going to fall. Your eyes tell you about this future happening. Here is another example. What can you say from the picture? What is your prediction? It's going to rain. We use going to because you can see clouds. Let's now look at will for predictions for when we have knowledge or experience. An economist might say, the economy will improve. She's an expert. She has a university degree. Her knowledge tells her this. A teacher says to a lazy student, you will fail. The teacher knows this because he knows the student, and in his career he has seen students fail time and time again because they are lazy. Now there is a grey area. This means sometimes you can use will and sometimes going to. An economist can also look at data. Her eyes can see it. She may say, the economy is going to improve. So will or going to is possible there. Good news, huh? A fortune teller can say, you will be rich. She is an expert, or so she thinks. A fortune teller could also say, you are going to be rich, because she sees the evidence in the tarot cards or in the crystal ball. More on predictions. For this situation here, would you say she's going to have a baby or she will have a baby? You can see the bump in her stomach and your knowledge tells you that there is a baby coming. But it's obvious to the eyes. Everybody can see it. So if you say she will have a baby, people might say, oh really? Oh, how clever you are. And then they will laugh. So you must say here, she's going to have a baby, not will. Consider this situation. You are on a ship in stormy weather and the boat is moving up and down. You see a boy eating many chocolate cakes. Your experience tells you, ooh, he will be sick. Then the boy starts to look very ill. Then you would say, he's going to be sick, because your eyes tell you. Let's do some practice. You need to choose will or going to, or say that both can be used. You can pause the video if you need to think of the answer. The answer is going to. I'm going to pass, because you have witnessed your hard work. You saw yourself do all that work. This one is going to, because you begin, look at that child. That means you are using your eyes. She's going to cry. What about this one? They will not come. You use will, or they won't come. They never come. You know them very well, and in your experience, they never come. You can use both here. If you see somebody putting chocolate in the cake, it's going to taste nice, but also your experience of eating chocolate cake will tell you this. It will taste nice. So somebody is writing a note, and the question is this. Again, both are possible with slightly different meanings. Will they see this note means I'm making a prediction. I can't see them, it's a future situation that I can't actually see at the moment. But also, if you're looking at a note, maybe somebody's putting it on a door in big letters, so your eyes assess the note. Or maybe somebody's writing the note in pencil in very small letters and putting it somewhere where maybe nobody can find it. You can see all of this, so you would say going to. It doesn't really matter. Here we can use both. Will I die? You're saying, Doctor, in your expert opinion, is this a future action? Will I die? Or, Doctor, you've seen my test results. You can see me now. You see my physical condition. Am I going to die? Both are possible, and it doesn't matter which one you use. Take a look at the first practice sheet in the resources file and answer the questions. Then check your answers in the answer key.